In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play Please Donate in Roblox. Now this is going to be a full guide on how to do everything that you want to do. Now before I get into the video, please make sure you watch this the whole way through and to the end to ensure you don't miss out any steps and to ensure that you get this set up correctly and you can start earning straight away. So the first thing you can do is you can actually just go into Please Donate here and you can walk around like I'm doing here. And you can see all the stuff. You can donate here if you want to, stuff like that. You can donate here, but you're probably watching this video because you want to be able to make your own stand and you want to get donations yourself. So I'll show you how to do that right away. So let's get into it. The first thing we're going to want to do is we want to go on to Google Chrome or something like that. You can't do this on the app, so you need to do this on like a computer or something like that. So you go to Google Chrome like this and type in Roblox. You need to go to the Roblox website like this, and you need to log in with your account. Okay, once we're signed in, it should look something a bit like this, and we want to go to the top to where it says Create here. So click on that. Now you're going to have a page that looks like this, and you want to go over to where it says Avatar Items. Cool. So what we can do here is we can upload an asset. So we're going to click upload asset and we want the asset type to be a t-shirt here. So in here we can just put a random image of something. So I'm going to put that in now. I have a random photo here. And then the name we can put something like, we'll put please donate. And for the description we can put thank you for your donation. Cool. We need to upload like this. And then you should see it pop up here like this, called Please Donate. Now we need to click on it here. We need to change the settings here to on sale. Now we can set the price we want to sell it for. So we can have 1 Robux, 2. I'd recommend starting with have a few different price ranges. And once you're ready for that, you can press save here. Now once you press save, you're going to be prompted to pay for this. So it costs 10 Robux for you to be able to list an item. So to list a t-shirt, you're going to have to pay for 10 Robux, you're going to have to press confirm, and then you'll be able to start selling it. And then you'll be able to, so you can just go back to the configuration, go back here, and it should be ready. So once we've done that, we can open up Roblox, and it's going to be ready to open our stand. So I'll show you that now. So as you can see, I'm back inside here. And what we want to do is we want to come over here to one of these empty stands. Now, try and find one that's straight in front of the spawn, or that's sort of like some other people would be looking, because if you go to like a random one, people might not be looking there. So I'm going to just go here, but you should go somewhere else. So you want to hold E to claim, and I don't have the I don't have any anything to put up here. So that's like the first method that you can do it to get to make your thing work. Now the second method, what we can do here, is we can actually go up to the stand once we've activated it. You activate, you have to go through some like sort of, I don't know, bits and bobs. Then you see like there's a plus here, so it says there's going to be a tutorial here. To start any Robux, you need to set up an add donations button to your stand. You have to create a donation button, you'll have to create a game pass. So it's going to give you this link here and you have to paste this into your browser. So I'm going to show you that now. Now bear in mind that your button will be completely different to mine, so make sure you do the steps and get your own button. So we're going to put please donate, thank you. And then we can click create pass here. Then we can go back onto here and we can put it on for sale. So you have to go down to here where it says sales, turn it on, and you can put your price in there, let's say 10, save that, and boom, okay, that is ready to go. So now we can go back into Roblox, hit next. It says set a name and icon for your game pass, then press the create pass button. After clicking create pass, click on the pass you just created and go to sales tab. Set a price. We've already done all that. Congratulations, you can start earning. So if we go on here, oh, that's a tutorial again. We can go to edit, we can refresh it, and you can see, boom, my please donate button is now here, and people can donate this if they would like to. What else you can do? You can just just refresh this if you need to. You can look at the donations you've received. You can change the booth model if you'd like to, so you can change this one here, but you need to pay for them. You need 1 million Robux for that. So you can change these if you would like to. But that's basically how you would go about doing it. Now you can just stand here and, you know, wait for people to donate to you. To jump around. Now, if you'd like me to make a video on like the best practices, I can also go ahead and do that. And you can see someone's just upgraded their thing here to make a really cool one. And someone's here as well. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.